Hi, it's JoElla Milan, and I'm showing you right now my mini facelift that you could do at home. And you could do it in the morning before you go to work to make your face look a little more perky. And I wanted to give you a couple of tips on what you could do. First and foremost, I always start with my JoElla Milan Capture Use Water, spray it on my face, and just really rub it in. Because that firms and tones and hydrates, it's just magical. So I put that on first. Then my next, what I've done is, and I've already got it on my face, which you could see right here. It's working. It's been on about maybe 15, 20 minutes. So I'm using the Ultra Firming mask, which comes with the mask, and then the activator that you mix up before you put on your face with a brush, which if you buy the kit, it's in the kit. So what that is meant to put on your whole face, but I'm as doing this as a mini one, I'm just showing what you could do in the morning before you go to work if you don't want to do a whole one on your face. So what I've done in some of the areas that people ask me about is in the jowl area, which I've got this on now, the jowls, the nasalabial lines, sides in the mouth, and then the upper lip. That's all. I just put it on there and leave it on, and you'll feel it get hard. In fact, my face feels, I can feel it for sure. So, and what this does, it lifts, it just lifts and tightens everything up, and you'll see, you're going to look good when you take it off now, but you're going to look really good the next day. And this will actually hold for a few days to a week, depending on your situation. So if you maybe you just want to do it a couple times a week if you're having an issue with the jowls and what I mentioned before. And the lips, just do what's comfortable for you a couple times a week. And my next thing that I have on is I've got on TightEye. Now this is great. This is not one of those products that you put on and you can see the wrinkles go away and then it disappears after a few hours. That's not what this is. TightEye is it works and it's cumulative, so the results will last a few days. And what I did with this is I put it under my eye, crow's feet, and then I put it on my lid. And this you can leave on from 5, 10, 15 minutes, whatever you want to do. And you just put it on there, and I always go like that and just lift the whole thing up so it's lifted. And now when you rinse it off, all you need to do, which I'm going to do now, it's all on my face. When you do the TightEye, you just use a little bit of water. You don't have to like scrub it off with a washcloth or anything. You just rinse it off, and then your makeup, you could put on your makeup for the day. No balling or anything there like some of those products do, this because you're rinsing it off. I love this stuff because I'll put this on. I have TightEye and then tight neck. Sorry, my mind forgot. But anyway, you can put that on the neck. And again, I'm surprised. Some days I go like, God, my neck still looks really good. See, and so you just dab that off a little bit. I just wet it a little bit and dried it off. And if you feel like you have any more there, you can just go back and do it again. Now, on the lower part where the Ultra Firming mask, you want to get it wet. Because when you do the whole face, especially, it's harder to get off because it really adheres to the face. But this is such a great treatment, and you'll see the more that you do it, the better your face looks. And I find even when you do peels or anything, you always look better the next day. It's just the way it is, because your face has time to let the products do the work. This is Sunday, so this is a good day to, in the afternoon, if you have extra time, you could do that too. I went to church last night, so I got that. I do that sometimes. I go at nighttime. So, I've got this off now. And I go back and dry it. Sometimes you think you get it off, and then you'll notice a little while later your face, there still might be a little bit on there. In fact, I could feel that right there. This is such a great thing to do, and then you'll look refreshed for the like today's Sunday. Tomorrow I'll look really refreshed, or like if you're going to work tomorrow, going to the office, you're gonna people go, God, you look so refreshed today. What did you do? So that wasn't that easy. Didn't take me that long. I put my stuff on, excuse me, and I went in and cleaned up the kitchen and did a few things around here. And I did that. And then afterwards, if you want to put a little bit of more capture use water on, rub it in. And you really want to rub this in because it likes the friction of rubbing. You don't just spray it and push it. You don't do that. You rub it in. And you could do the same thing around the eyes. Your eyes love it helps with crepey eyes if you're crepey up here. Same thing, and it helps with the wrinkles. See how fast that was? Now I could just go and put on whatever, if I want to put any more products on my face, if I want to go to bed, if I want to put on my makeup, I'm all set to go. So if you have any questions, give me a call on my toll-free number. You could send me an email, or you can, like I said, the information is down below. If you have any questions, I'm really happy to help you. And have a great day. Thank you. Bye.